Geobrugg is based in Romanshorn, Switzerland, and is mainly active in natural hazard, doing slope stabilization, rockfall barriers and landslide protection, some avalanche protection. And in security engineering, we are trying to use that experience and advantages and transfer it into safety and security solutions.
So this is interesting. You're taking skills from elsewhere into the motor racing arena?
Exactly. We're actually the record holder, stopping a 16-ton block traveling at 90 kilometers an hour, which is around 5,000 kilojoule. And we took that experience and transferred it into the motorsport industry.
What sort of technologies and materials then are needed for that sort of safety and that sort of protection? That's extraordinary.
All our products are made out of high tensile steel wire. It's 3 to 4 times stronger than normal mild steel, and the meshes are extremely flexible, can absorb a lot of energy, and we also include in the design some brake elements to absorb also energy and give a bit of deflection.
Does the motor racing industry offer different challenges in terms of the sort of impacts that we're talking about and the things that you have to control?
You can compare some of the impacts. We're in security engineering also catching small shrapnels, for example. If you think of a crash, also some small parts can fly away from the car, and we are holding these small parts. And of course, if you think of a rock coming always straight at a barrier, there is some small differences, but the energy stays the same, and we are used to absorb that energy and stop that impact or stop the car.
It's an interesting point you make, because it's not just about the impact of, say, a vehicle itself, but what might come from that impact and what might be moved from that vehicle to the surrounding area. There's a whole lot more than just protecting the driver and the vehicle. There are, like you say, parts that might come off it.
Exactly. There are very often parts coming off at a crash, and with our mesh, it's strong enough, even if you have sharp edges, to stop that shrapnels effectively.
What's been the feedback from the industry to what you can offer?
The feedback was very good. In future race circuits, they want to use our mesh and our Geobrugg debris fence, not only from the circuit owners, also from the drivers, from the spectators and from the marshals' point of view. It's very good to increase that safety level along the race circuit.